Ah, snoring. Nature's way of saying, well, hey, I'm asleep, and I want everyone to know about it. You've heard it. You've survived it. That unholy growl from someone deep in dreamland? Or maybe from your own face. Yikes. But why do we snore? Where's this noise even coming from? And why does it sound like a dying walrus stuck in a blender? Let's break it down. But don't worry, I'm not here to get all medical textbook on you. We're keeping it simple. Explain it to your pet goldfish? Simple. Okay, so here's the deal. When we fall asleep, our body chills out. Completely chills out. Muscles go soft, limbs go floppy, brain hits the snooze button. Even the stuff inside your throat goes limp. The tongue, the soft palate, that dangly thing at the back of your throat. You know, the uvula? Yeah, it has a name. Sounds like a rejected Pokemon. Anyway, when all that soft tissue sags and relaxes, it can start to block your airway. Just a little. Now, air's still got to get through, right? So it squeezes past those floppy parts. And when it does, they start to vibrate. Boom. That vibration? That's snoring. You are, quite literally, playing your throat like a sad, fleshy kazoo. But here's the real question. Why do some people snore like a jet engine, while others sleep like a silent woodland elf? Good question. Let's blame a few things, shall we? Number 1, your anatomy. Some people are just born with cursed airways, narrow throats, big tonsils, thick necks. Basically, their air tunnel is more tight alley than open highway. Also, hate to break it to you guys, but men tend to snore more. Something about having more soft tissue and bigger necks. Number 2, sleeping position. Lying on your back equals bad. Gravity pulls your tongue backwards, and suddenly it's blocking the airway like a lazy bouncer at a club. Number 3, alcohol. Yep, that nightcap that helps you fall asleep also helps your throat muscles give up on life. And guess what? Floppy muscles equals louder snores. Number 4, weight. Extra pounds around the neck add pressure to your airway. More pressure means narrower airways, and yet narrower airways mean, guess what? More snoring. Number 5, nose problems. Got allergies? A cold? Or just a nose that decided to retire early? You'll probably end up breathing through your mouth, and that is Snore City. Now some of you might be thinking, okay, so I snore. Big deal, I'm still adorable. Well, maybe, but also maybe not. Light snoring? Annoying, yes, but mostly harmless. Loud, chronic snoring? That might be a red flag, you might have sleep apnea, red flag. And sleep apnea is when you stop breathing during sleep. Yeah, that's bad. We're talking heart problems, high blood pressure, and waking up feeling like a zombie with a hangover. So if your snoring sounds like a bear fighting a vacuum cleaner, and you're tired all the time, maybe go talk to a doctor. Not Google, a real doctor. Alright, can you fix snoring? Or is it your new superpower? Good news, you're not doomed. Here's what might help. Lose a little weight. Not easy, I know, but it helps. Sleep on your side. You can even tape a tennis ball to your back. Weird, but effective. Cut back on booze before bed. Yes, even that one glass you swear is for your heart. Fix your allergies, because breathing through your face is kinda important. Try nasal strips, or a humidifier. Basically, trick your body into not being annoying. And if all else fails, doctor time. You might need a CPAP machine or other treatments for sleep apnea. It's either that, or snore yourself into being single. So, in conclusion, snoring happens when your throat turns into a human whoopee cushion. Relaxed muscles, blocked airways, wobbly tissue. The result? Nighttime throat concerts. Could be your anatomy, could be your lifestyle, could be karma from all the times you laughed at someone else's snore. Is it dangerous? Sometimes. Is it annoying? Always. But it's also fixable. So don't just shrug it off, unless you're into waking up exhausted and getting side-eyed by your dog every night. Anyway, sweet dreams. Or, noisy ones. Whatever. I'm not your life coach.